Hello guys, this video tutorial is all about how to install Chrome OS in VirtualBox. First, you need to open your web browser and hanapin mo yung pinaka-latest version ng VirtualBox. Ikaw na bahala kung anong kailangan mong version ng operating system. Pero sa akin, ang kailangan ko is Windows Host. Na-download ko na ito. So let's proceed on how to set up the VirtualBox. Just double click this one, the one you downloaded. Then we just wait. Just click next. Then click the I accept the terms in the license agreement. Then click next. Then next. Yes lang natin. Then next ulit. Then install. Mag-wait lang tayo ng ilang minuto para ma-install yung VirtualBox. Then after that, just click finish. Then after that, click mo yung Oracle VirtualBox. And ito yung itsura. Then let's proceed sa pag-install ng Chrome OS. Here, just download this. I will add this link in the description below. I already downloaded it. This one. Then let's go back sa VirtualBox natin. Just click the import. Then hanapin mo yung Chrome OS na dinownload natin. This one. Cloud Ready Home. Just open it. Then click finish. Just wait for a minute para mag-import lang yung mga files na nakalagay doon sa Chrome OS na nilagay natin or in-import natin. Then after na ma-import na ito ng successful, just click the new. Name it Chrome OS. And then sa type, piliin mo yung Linux. Then, other Linux. Yung version, dapat 64-bit. Then, dito sa hardware, tataasan ko lang yung sa my base memory ko. Depende na sa'yo kung papalitan mo. Pati sa processor. Hindi ko napapalitan. Then, use an existing virtual hard disk file. Click mo yung nasa baba. Then, hanapin mo yung Cloud Ready Home, yung in-import natin kanina. Then, click Finish. Then, right-click here. Click the settings. Scroll down. Here in display, make it 128 MB. Then the graphics controller should be VMS VGA. Then enable 3D acceleration. Then click OK. Then try to start it. Just wait for a minute kasi naglo-loading pa ito. Then ito na yung magpapakita sa'yo. You need to log in your email or Gmail account. Just click the Let's Go. Click this capture. Then click the Let's Go button. Click Next. Wait for a few minutes. Then click Continue. Just wait for a few minutes. Then, lagay mo yung email mo. Then click Next. Then click Next. Then, lagay mo din yung password mo. Then click Next ulit. Then, lagay mo din yung password mo. Then click Next ulit. Wait for a few seconds or minutes. Then click Get Started. You need to wait again for a few minutes. Then just click the Started. Just wait for a few minutes. Just click the close. And here, you already installed the Chrome OS. Thank you for watching.